all, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark, this is Model Modz. Now I've got something special for today. I am over the moon that this package turned up today. I can tell you that now because I've been waiting for what's in here for a long time. And there are many reasons why I've had to wait so long. And you are warned when you order these that you do have to have there is a wait time on these. But I'm so happy they've come. I'm ecstatic. Anyway, let's go and have a look what's in the bag. Okay, so into the bag. We have got a Christmas tree for the DeLorean, and we also have the flux capacitor. Now these are painted kits, that's why they do take a bit longer to come. So that is why the wait is longer. If you go for the unpainted kits, you will get them a lot quicker than this. When starting the DeLorean, I was basically advised that if you're going to do the DeLorean, these are the must-have for the car. So we'll do the most important one, which is the flux capacitor. Okay, now because these are all hand painted, this is why it does take a while to come. I'm no good with painting, and I'd rather wait than attempt to paint something like this myself. Open the box. Here in the box is the flux capacitor. Now I am going to do a video on installing these onto the car. But look at that. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Got the wires coming out the back here. We've got the sticky tape so we can adhere it to the DeLorean. But wow, how amazing does that look? I mean, you've got the little shield eyes from light. You've got the disconnect. You know, disconnect, capacitor, drive before opening. That is going to look absolutely lovely on the car. If I just go for the side camera, I've moved it down, but that's it. I can never get angles right. That is it, close up. I'm really going to look forward to setting that up in the car. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, Chloe. Absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to put this back in the bag because I don't want it to get ruined, and then we'll have a look at the Christmas tree. Put that in there. Okay, put that back in its box. I will say, because I've been informed on this, that Model Modz now do their own boxes. Let me just go back over to the build cam. They make their own boxes to cut down on waste and everything, so they're trying to be very economical and, you know, planet friendly by doing their own packaging, and the packaging is superb. Right, so let's get this one. This is the Christmas tree. It honestly is like Christmas when you get these mods. So we'll open it up. First we've got a set of wires, and then we have the Christmas tree itself. Have a look, let's get it out of the bag. See what we get. Okay, so there's the Christmas tree itself, looking lovely. I think it goes that way around. So this will be more effective when it's hooked up to the electrics. But again, this is all hand painted. I'm told the electrics in it are absolutely amazing. So there we have the Christmas tree. far, far better than what you get from Eagle Moss. We have that. We have a set of wires that will come. And then we also do have these little cable things. Not too sure where they go, but I'm sure I'll find out. And that is basically everything you get when you order these mods. And never ever do they cease to surprise me. Well, they always cease to surprise me, I should say. So let's put these back in the bag. Absolutely amazing. I'm just going to put them back in the box. And that is basically what came in the post today. Well, actually, no, it wasn't the post. It was actually by courier. So, absolutely fantastic. I'm really made up with them because I know that is going to make the car look absolutely fantastic. Now, I did issue 54 and we've just started on the rear bulkhead of the car. I believe the Christmas tree goes in at issue 57 and the flux capacitor goes in at 58. Now, the plan is I'm going to do the Eagle Moss. I'm going to put that all in like it was said in the magazine because that's what I do. But then when they have gone in, I will then be doing a separate video on taking them out and adding these to the car. So, and I am so happy I'm at that stage of the car because if I wasn't, I'd be chomping at the bit to do it. So yeah, nice little bit of a special thing today. Just thought I'd get this little video out of unboxing these. And yeah, absolutely fantastic. So thank you, Model Modz. You've really, really surpassed yourselves again, should I say. Well, that was a little bit different, a bit of an unboxing there of some more mods from Model Modz. Now, if you want to get your look at any of the mods from Model Modz, there is the website at the bottom here where you can go over and get any mods that you want. We've got mods Ferrari F40, Ecto 1, DeLorean, there are loads over there. And it is a working company as well because they're always looking at other ways to get more out there in the mods. So they're working a lot with the Ecto 1 at the moment and making really fantastic mods for the Ecto 1. Anyway, if you like the video, please give me a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always guys, stay safe and bye for now. Please check out Model Modz website at modelmodz.com where you will find an amazing array of mods for your models, where we have DeLorean, Ferrari F40 and we have the Terminator and many, many more. If you click on your mods that you want for your model, there you can see some absolutely fantastic mods to go along with your build. So check out modelmodz.com and start modding.